Power Treads, the all-surface vehicles that you build and unleash. Customize your Power Treads ASV and create your own custom course with the track set. Keep tracks close for more control, or expand them out for more challenging routes. Plus, power up the Power Trekker. You can even add treads and stickers that glow. There's over 1,001 Power Treads ways to unleash the fun. Power Treads, new from Wowie.
For ultimate off-road racing fun, it's Power Treads. You get one Power Treads all-surface vehicle. It comes with black, blue, green, white, and glow-in-the-dark treads, so you can mix and match to make awesome designs. And they're easy to snap together. Make sure you put them on with the right side facing out, like this. It also comes with this track set, so you can build and rebuild your track however you want. There are straight tracks, curved tracks, funnel tracks that help direct your Power Treads all-surface vehicle exactly where you want it to go, and ramp tracks to help your Power Treads climb. You can build your track as small or as big as you want. There are some awesome stickers to make your tracks look even cooler. It comes with performance boosters, so your Power Treads can go over rough terrain. And it also comes with the Power Trekker. Assemble your Power Trekker by matching up the markings on each leg piece to the front and rear joints. Then just drive in to activate the Trekker and let it run wild. And you can use it however you want. Now all that's left is to set up the track and unleash your Power Treads ASV. You can even adjust while you're playing to keep your Power Treads on track. Plus, it uses 2 AAA batteries, which are included in most packs. And when you need to replace them, they're easy to switch out. Just ask your parent. You can even add household items for more Power Treads fun on any surface. And you can DIY with rubber bands to boost grip. Now that you know how your Power Treads work, it's time to build your track and have some fun.